Okay, so now we're going to look at the final part of amines, which is chemical properties. Okay, so these are reactions of amines slash tests. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 3 tests, and yang last tu boleh dikatakan test ke tak? Boleh lah kot. Okay, so first of all, we're going to look at Hinsberg's test. So Hinsberg's test ni, this is to distinguish the classes of your amines. Okay, so there are 2 steps in Hinsberg's test. So the first step is reacting your amine with benzene sulfonyl chloride in basic in excess KOH. Okay, so you will get your first observation, and then you will then step 2 react it with treat it with acid. Okay, alright. So for primary amine, okay, primary amine, we are going to react it first. It's the first step. Okay, to remove HCl, when you react with benzene sulfonyl chloride, you're going to remove this two. Okay, so when you remove that, awak akan just sambungkan these parts of primary amine dengan benzene sulfonyl chloride to form N-substituted benzene sulfonamides. Okay, so here your N-substituted ni, it has 1 hydrogen. Okay, this is an acidic hydrogen. So when you treat it with KOH, you will get a water-soluble salt. Okay, like so. Nampak sini. Nampak water-soluble salt. So your observation, your first observation will be a clear solution. Okay. So when you treat it with acid, HCl, you will get water and insoluble compound. So you will have an observation that is white precipitate formed. Okay, so primary amine, when treated with benzene sulfonyl chloride in excess KOH, you will get a clear solution. So that means itu adalah primary amine lah. Okay, so bila treat with HCl, dapat white precipitate. Okay, maksudnya itu primary amine punya observation. For secondary amine, okay, when you treat with benzene sulfonyl chloride in OH minus, you will get N disubstituted. So ada R dengan R, N ni benzene sulfonamide. It is water insoluble. It is not soluble in water because it does not have any acidic hydrogen. Okay, so you will form a white precipitate. Okay, so the first step of this test, you will get this observation for secondary amine, white precipitate terus. Then when you treat with HCl, you will get no observable changes. So tak ada apa-apa lah berlaku. Okay, so this is the observation for secondary amine when you do Hinsberg's test. Finally, when you do Hinsberg's test to tertiary amine, so daripada start you do not have any acidic hydrogen, so you cannot remove any HCl. So therefore, when you treat tertiary amine in benzene sulfonyl chloride in excess KOH, there are no observable changes. Okay, so then if you treat this tertiary amine with HCl pula, you will get water soluble salt. Okay, you will get a clear solution. So I suggest you to do like a table for primary amine. Okay, first test, which is benzene sulfonyl chloride in KOH. Dapat apa observation dia? Okay, clear solution macam tu. Okay, macam tu je. And then secondary amine, blah blah blah. Dapat ni. Okay, second step, treat with HCl. Dapat apa? White precipitate. Okay, blah blah blah. So that's Hinsberg's test. Alright. So apa yang awak kena tahu is the maybe chemical reaction, the reagents, the observation lah. Okay. Now we are going to look at nitrous acid test. So nitrous acid test is for you to distinguish primary aliphatic, and primary aromatic amines. Okay, between these two. And then you can also distinguish primary, secondary and tertiary aliphatic amines. Okay, so nitrous acid, macam mana kita nak, boleh ke kita guna nitrous acid tu terus? Tak boleh. So nitrous acid is a very unstable acid, so you cannot it is very reactive, so you cannot have this on its own terus. Okay, so you need to use NaNO2 and HCl at low temperature to get nitrous acid in your reaction. Okay, that's why bila reagent tu awak bukannya guna HNO2 terus. Okay, so for primary amines, okay, when you react with NaNO2, HCl or H whatever, okay, at low temperature, cold, 0 degrees Celsius, 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, you will get a diazonium salt. Okay, and then when you treat it with water, you will get alcohol, alkyl halide, alkene, and nitrogen gas liberated. Okay, so primary amines, yang aliphatic primary amines, your observation will be formation of gas bubbles, that is nitrogen gas. Okay, so basically N2 ni datang dari mana? Daripada sini lah, dari sini. Okay, ini yang lain ni awak just hafal je. Yang ni macam ni. Okay, alcohol, alkyl halide, alkene. So yang ni kalau alcohol ni, R ni awak kena tulis lah R dia apa. Kalau CH3 CH2, dan make sure tulis lah CH3 CH2. Okay, ini pun sama alkyl halide tu. Alkene ni just tulis alkene je. Okay, ni memang. Okay, so when you do nitrous acid test to aromatic primary amines, okay, like this, you have aniline, okay, you will get arene diazonium chloride salt. Okay, so this salt, it is stable below 5 degrees Celsius. So when you heat it up, okay, so it will be more than 5 degrees Celsius and treat it with water, you will get phenol. Okay, phenol and nitrogen gas will be liberated. Okay, so that for primary amines, okay, your observation will be the formation of gas bubbles and to above 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so ni bila awak dapat gas bubbles above 5 degrees Celsius, maksudnya you have primary aromatic amine lah. Okay, kalau yang ni memang formation of gas bubbles even below 5 degrees Celsius, so itu adalah primary amines. Okay, beza dia ni. So for secondary amines, okay, aliphatic dengan aromatic sama je dia punya observation. Okay, the kind of product that you will get. So when you have secondary amines like so, ni 2R groups here, treat it with nitrous acid test. Okay, you will get, okay, NO kat sini. Okay, H ni ganti dengan NO. NO, N double bond O. So this is called N-nitrosamine. Nitrous amine, okay? N-nitrous amine. So the observation for secondary amine here will be yellow oil. Okay? So yellow oil. Even for aromatic secondary amines pun kan, macam ni aromatic kan? Okay. Asal dia secondary amine, okay, treat it with nitrous acid, you will get yellow oil as well. This is also nitrous amine. Nitrous amine, okay, and double bond O. Okay, for tertiary amines, okay, dengan aliphatic, dia aliphatic dengan aromatic, dia berbeza lah dia punya observation. Okay, so when you treat your tertiary amine with nitrous acid test, you will get trimethyl ammonium ion, which is a clear solution. Okay, so that is aliphatic, tertiary aliphatic amines, clear solution formed. Okay, for tertiary aromatic amines, like so, you have 1, 2, 3 carbons attached to this nitrogen, and this is aromatic. One of it is aromatic. Treat it with nitrous acid test. You will first get orange solution or precipitate. Okay, orange solution or precipitate. So basically, awak tambah NO kat sini, NO dari sini, dengan tambah hydrogen kat sini. So ni jadi plus charge, like so. Okay, so this is the first observation, followed by when you treat it with base at 0 degrees Celsius, you will remove this hydrogen, okay, using this base thing. Ni masuk sini. Then you will get a green precipitate. Okay. So the observation is orange solution formed, okay, when treated with base NaOH. Oh, sorry. When treated with base, it will turn green. Okay. So that's nitrous acid test. Okay, the last two reactions. So when you can use bromine water test. Okay, this is specially to distinguish aniline from anything else. Okay, kalau awak nak positive test for aniline, you can use bromine water. Okay, so here we have aniline treated with aqueous bromine atau bromine in water. You will get 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Okay, so this is a white precipitate. Okay, the observation is white precipitate. Okay, so maksudnya kalau awak guna aliphatic amine with bromine water, then you will get no observable changes. Okay, atau anything else. So aniline je yang akan memberikan white precipitate observation. Okay, so this is the observation. Finally, last sekali, you have the reaction of primary aromatic amines only, okay, with NaNO2HCl. This is actually nitrous acid lah ni, okay. So you will form first arene diazonium salts, okay. So daripada arene diazonium salts ni, you can undergo coupling reaction with aromatic compounds with strong electron donating group macam ini. Okay, strong electron donating group ni. Okay, so daripada sini first buat nitrous acid, okay, and then arene diazonium salt, then you can form azo compounds. So azo compounds ni, they are actually they are used in your dye, kan? Dye, tahu tak dye yang ada kebanyak-banyak colour tu? So why is that? Because it is intensely coloured. Okay, dia punya colour tu kuat. Okay, so if you react your arene diazonium salts from your aromatic amines tu with phenol, okay, you will get an azo compound looking like this. So this part here is from your arene diazonium salt, okay, and it has a 1,4 para position with your phenol. So dekat sini dengan sini, okay, dia sambung situ. So dia memang para position. So this azo compound is orange coloured. Okay. Alright, so if you treat that with this aromatic compound with strong electron donating group, specifically this one, okay, and with a coupling reaction, you will get this azo compound. Okay, sama juga cara dia sambung ini kat bawah ni dengan this nitrogen here. Okay, note that this nitrogen, okay, the Cl leaf pergi kat sini and return here. So dia jadi double bond. So this compound is a yellow compound. So that is your observation. Okay. Alright, we're done with amines. Your last long chapter in chemistry. So the last two chapters will be short and the mark allocation will be sikit, but we will still cover it because mana tahu awak boleh dapat markah kat situ kan. Sayanglah kalau awak tak jawab. Okay, alright, bye. Thank you.